Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual classes provided by DAV Thermal. In previous lecture, we have discussed models. I hope all of you understood. Today, we will start Unit 4 Subject Verb Agreement. So, what is a subject verb agreement? A finite verb always agree with its subject in number and person. So, I will read few sentences. See this thing. Air and water are necessary for survival. Manu and I were the host of the party. So, see the remember column first. When the subject consists of two or more nouns or pronouns joined by and, a plural verb is used. However, if the nouns and pronouns refer to the same person or thing, a singular verb is used. Now, let us study some example. Author and publisher Mr. Sahani is in town to inaugurate the book fair. Here, the two nouns refer to one person, but the author and the publisher were called for meeting. Here is the two nouns refers to different person, different people. So here is the two different sentences are there. See worksheet 2. The comfort and luxury provided by the machine has made people lazy. Her hard work and dedication has paid off. Going to a beach and making sandwich castles is my idea of a perfect holiday. So, in the above example, the two nouns either convey the same meaning as in sentence 1 and 2 or express one single idea in sentence 3. So, therefore, in such sentences, we use a singular verb. So now here is the option is there. So you have to tick mark on the correct option. Simple living and high thinking was Gandhiji philosophy. Sorry. It is said that beauty and brain does not go together. Dev and Anuj are going to Goa this weekend. The singer and the actor Sonu was awarded the trophy. Like that, you have to do rest of the worksheet. Now, worksheet 3. Read this following. See the remember column first. Words such as neither, either, each, everyone, one of the much, little, less, generally takes singular verbs. Like that, see the examples better. Neither of the two brothers was selected for the team. Should I fill the form in black or blue ink? Either of the two is acceptable. I have seen all your painting. Each one is fantastic. Everyone whom we invited has turned up. So like that, it means we have where these words are there, either, neither, each, everyone, such like we have to use singular verbs. Again, few more examples are there. See the example, none of the work was completed. Here is a work is amount and was is a singular verb. A lot of energy was wasted on finding the treasure. A lot of books have been written on home remedies. And the third part, a variety of music, here is a singular, is available here. A variety of music albums are available here. So see the remember column. Some words can refer to amount or quantity as well as numbers. When those numbers refers to amount and quantity, they take a singular verb. So based on this thing, you have to fill the correct option. See this exercise. First part, have you seen the sculptures made by him? Each one is a masterpiece. Second part, neither of the two teams was able to score a goal. And the third part, much of the hard work of the farmer has been wasted because of the drought. And the fourth part is there, a great deal of literature on the art of cooking is available in the market. I hope all of it clear. Now see the next worksheet. Here's a worksheet 4. See the remember column first. When the subject of a sentence consists of two nouns and pronouns that are joined as well as or with the verb agree with the first noun. See this thing, the engineer as well as his two subordinate was present at the site. Anshu as well as the other members of her family is because Is related to Anshu, shifted to Mumbai. Let us study some more example. The teacher as well as her students is sitting in the class. The teacher first noun, her student second noun, and is a verb agree with the noun first. So Richa with her friends want to participate in the quiz. Richa has a noun 1 and her friends noun 2, and wants is verb agree with the noun 1. I hope all of it clear. Now we have to discuss the next part. Here the some options are given. You have to tick mark on the correct option. Either Rohan or I am making the cake. Neither Mudit nor his friends are going on a school trip. Like that, you have to do rest of the worksheet and try to solve it. Now worksheet 5. See the remember column first. Some nouns are plural in form but singular in meaning. We use singular verb with such nouns like that. Mathematics, statics, measles, physics, billiards, etc. But some nouns are singular in form but plural in meaning. See this thing. Now physics is considered to be tough subject. Billiards is fast becoming popular among us youngsters. And the third is the people of the locality are protesting against frequent power cuts. And the fourth is the kettles were driven to the farm. I hope all of you clear this exercise. Now we will discuss worksheet 6. Based on this thing, you have to fill do it yourself and worksheet 6. Options are given. You have to take on one column. See this thing, the first part, people in the carnival were arriving all kinds of fancy dresses. Statics is Mohit's favorite subject. The cutlery set gives a very unique look. Her furniture shows her elegant taste. And the fifth one, this pair of trousers doesn't fit me anymore. I hope where we have used singular pronoun and where is the plural pronoun. Okay, now see this, do it yourself. Again, with the help of this exercise, you have to fill is, rm, has, have, etc. My mother and I are delighted to see the picture. Nina, my classmate and friend, is going abroad. The third part, physics as well as maths, is an interesting subject. A swarm of bees has attacked the farmers. One way to avoid your mistake is to reread your books. And the next sentence, law and order is important for nation development. I hope all of you clear this subject verb agreement exercise. You have to complete this worksheets and revise it thoroughly. Thank you and have a nice day.